mentioned before that this show is always has a good turnout of scooters, scooter clubs, and love them or hate them, you can't knock the enthusiasm that the scooter enthusiasts have. You know, they love their scooters, and it's amazing, the paint jobs, the performance, everything. Yeah. As I was saying, the performance side of scootering is taken very seriously. Some very trick motors there.
In actual fact, the difference in it was it brought a bit
They're twins. Okay, probably find a few more inside. Let's go and have a look what's in the next hall. Already mentioned that there's also a good turnout of scooters at this show. It's rare to see scooters exhibited alongside motorcycles, but it's all part of the history, part of the culture. And as I've said, the enthusiasm can't be knocked. Cool bikes, cool scooters. Again, I've mentioned many times the artwork on scooters. I think I featured that one on last year's video. Some of it is simple and subtle. And some of it is stunning. There you go. Last Kingdom themed artwork on that one. I think we saw the Bruce one last year. Well, we can't walk past without having a look at this Honda Spacey. That is a blast from the past. Amazing that there's one still exists. Not all scooters were Italian. We've got the Sundap and Mako featured. More utilitarian in style, probably looking a little bit more solid, but yeah, something different. Seen this one probably here, or was it at the Custom Culture Show? But that reproduction of the picture on the shield, leg shields there. Absolutely awesome. Again, not normally a theme that you associate with scooters. But stunning artwork. Scooters offer a better blank canvas in some ways. That expansive bodywork gives more scope for the imagination to do something with. Theme close to home. Anybody that was in South Yorkshire in the early 80s. The miners' strike. And this one. Brings back memories to those that lived through it. That very much says it all. These Italjets, they were a little bit revolutionary in the time. We managed to sell nearly everyone we got, and they went like absolute stink. So, but rare beast these days, and that one's far from standard.